close slap, scooping water out with your hand, cupping your hand and scooping water. Heel, toe. Speaking the rhythm. Do-ta re do do-ta re te, do-ta re do do-ta re te, do-ta re do do-ta re te, do-ta re do do-ta re. Do you remember that song you heard? The more you listened, the more you loved it. Or the movie you watched, the one that had a great ending. How about the cool drum rhythm you just learned? The Calypso middle drum part. When we love something or someone, our heart overflows with joy. Is it that we want to share the thing itself, the movie, the song, the rhythm? No. We want to share the joy that we feel. We can no longer contain it. You've got to hear this song, you tell a friend. You've got to watch this movie, you tell someone else. We may even go see the movie again so that we can experience the joy some more, so that we can turn to our friend and see the expression in their face, to share the joy. God created us to share the joy. Yeah, it's a great mystery, but God overflows with love and joy. So much, in fact, He wanted to share it. Because we are God's creation, we too can overflow with love and joy. We are just like our Creator in this way. Out of all of this continuous, endless love with no beginning and with no end, we, you and me, came into existence. Out of this joy with no beginning or no end, because God wants to share, we were created. Indeed, we are creatures of God's love. When the time was right, out of an overflow of love for us, God sent His only Son, Jesus Christ, to share this great love and joy of God with us. So joy-filled and overflowing with love were the men and women that met Jesus Christ. They went to all corners of the world and shared the good news. Until next time, make sure to take some time for the table. Switch hands.